Okay, I got the air compressor fixed. Now I'm just trying to get myself in here. What it was is the wires in here wasn't making contact right. I tore that motor apart 2 or 3 times. Cleaned it. At least I know the motor's nice and clean and everything's fixed in there. Now we're just letting it build up. It usually don't take too long. It goes a little past right here. Right about there, 125. But she's fixed. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. At least you watch one. And bye till later.